guys, we are here at Alaminos. Let's have a lunch dito sa Kubo-Kubo. Yeah. Hanggang doon ang Kubo-Kubo na kainan dito sa Alaminos, Pangasinan. There. Ayan, here at Alaminos, Pangasinan. Bulaluhan, kambingan, parking area sa loob. Yan. Our lunch. Sise. Fried chicken. Pan.
Sisi, bulado. Ngan. Sige. Sige, okay natin. Ganyan na. Okay lang. Okay, thank you. Kaya na.
Okay, our lunch here at Alaminos, kung saan ilang oras na lang ay bibiyayan tayo sa beach resort. Kaya kailangan magpalakas. Tuwa, hindi nyo man diniris yung sili nyo.
One eternity later. A few moments later.
Ayan na nga guys, we're done. So, it's time to take a rest and then iskap na. Saan tayo pupunta?
Yummy!
Ano pangalan ng area?
Oishi!
To Bulinaw na guys. So yan na. Everything is empty.
Yasuyo!
See you on the road. Evening.
Oh yeah! Nice!
For swimming? But be careful, it's swimming. Be careful kasi it's swimming.
lighthouse.
Lighthouse.
Yan. Papasok tayo dyan?
Mamaya na.
Welcome to lighthouse. Mamaya na tayo mamasyal
Gusto
dyan.
nyo ba ngayon na?
Check-in muna tayo.
Ay? Sige na.
Okay guys, entering the Cape Bolinao Lighthouse. There. So, bago mag-check-in sa hotel, try lang natin guys mag-visit Mother. Feeling na yan si Mother. And the entrance dito. And that is the lighthouse. Yan. Yan na guys. So, this is my page.
Magbabayad pa sila ng entrance.
Bayad ng entrance to lighthouse. Bolinao.